What is up guys, welcome yourselves back to this little bonus video here. This is going to be a few time lapses on a few roof wraps. In this video you will not see me wrapping very much. The first wrap, this is basically to show Connor and Jack how to wrap, give them some little insights on what's to do and what not to do. Now this is basically a little training session for them, and then the second wrap that you're going to see, I'm pretty much going to leave them to it apart from stepping in when I need to, but you will see the end result.
I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you. I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you.
One down, one more to go. So just want to say before this next one starts, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you watching the content and smashing that like button, it means a lot. You guys actually sold out the Oil Slick stickers within a couple of days of them being released, which is absolutely fantastic. They are still available, the Rusty Auto stickers, down below in the description, rustyfat.co.uk. Make sure you're getting yours. Also, before we go any further, car meet at our place again, unit, on the 2nd of June. It's on a Sunday, 10 AM, right here. This is the details. Make sure you come in. Everybody's welcome, no matter what you drive. Bring your friends, bring anybody. You don't have to have a Corsa, whatever car you've got. Even if you've got a motorbike, bring that as well. Anything.
Everything about you. Everything about oversold. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
Roof rack 2 done. Jobs are good. So you've seen there, training them two up. The reason we're doing that is because we work as a team, and Jack teaches me stuff, you know, and Colin wants to get on the rapping side of stuff, so how can we refuse him? They both did absolutely fantastic, both bouncing off each other, both working well. It just goes to show that if you guys want to rap, you can rap very, very easily. I gave them a few pointers. I was the one that used the blade, because obviously we're not comfortable letting them use it on a customer's car. If they messed up with the rap, we could have took it off and put a brand new roll on again, so there was no issue there. They will start using the blade at some point soon, but they will do that when we wrap the 350, because that's my own personal car then. I did all the cutting, so there was no chance of them cutting the cars, which is absolutely fantastic. They both did absolutely great.